What's the meaning of Alec Guinness? Alec Guinness. Alec Guinness. Alec Guinness. Alec Guinness. Alec Guinness.
Alec Guinness was an English actor who is widely considered to be one of the greatest actors of all time. He was born in 1914 and began his acting career in the 1930s. He appeared in numerous films throughout his career, including Bridge on the River Kwai and Star Wars. In addition to his acting work, Guinness was also a writer and director. He passed away in 2000 at the age of 86. Overall, Alec Guinness is remembered as a highly accomplished and influential figure in the world of film and theater.